Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers. In the continuation of previous lecture of estimating and costing by engineer Muhammad Bilal. So, our today lecture is lecture number 2. Our topic is data required for preparation of estimate. So, which type of data required for preparation of estimate? So there are mainly three types of data required for estimation. So the first one is its drawing, the second one is the specification, and the third one is rates. So these are the major component for its preparation of estimate. So in the drawing we need plane of a building. Let's suppose we are going to construct a building. So this is this is a this is a plane. This is room number 1, this is room number 2, this is this is this is staircase, and this is open veranda, and here is the main gate. Let's suppose here is the main gate, and its dimension is 70 feet, let's suppose, and 30 feet. So this is called plane of a building. So the plane required for preparation of estimate will be in detail, having its detailed dimension mentioned in each room's veranda, staircase, and also the second one in drawing. We are needed its section. Let's suppose we need a section of a beam, like this is a simple beam or lintel, and we suppose section 8 section AA. So this is the section, this is the main longitudinal bar, and this is the bend up bar, and these two are anchor bars, and this one is the hook. So this is the cross section of 1 feet by 1 feet beam, having bend up bar, having main bar, and anchor bars. So the third one is its elevation. So what is elevation? Let's suppose we are going to construct a building. So this is its elevation. This is its elevation. Here is the ground level, and here is the door, here is the lintel, and here is the sunshade. So this is called, this is from ground level, this is called its elevation, 3.1 meter. So this is called its the building elevation, and this is the roof, this is the roof, and this is the window, this is the door, this is the window. So this is called elevation. So for preparation of estimate we need the elevation of a building. The third one is its location. So location doesn't matter, but we need the location for calculating its soil investigation, and as well as the rates will be depend upon the locality and availability of material. A dimension, so the dimension for cross section for plane is required, for cross section is also required, cross section is required, and its elevation is also required. So the second one is specification. So what is specification? Generally there are normally there are two types of specification. One is called a general specification, and the second is one is called detailed specification. So we will discuss the general specification and detailed specification in our next videos in detail. So here we will discuss just for information. So in general specification, the nature of work. So what the nature of work means, which type of work is it, the class of work, the class we will just mention. Let's suppose we are using first class break, so we will mention first class break. So in general specification we mention all these things. The third one is quantity of work and its materials. So quantity of work and its material is also required for general class. Required for general class. So for detailed specification, quantity is required. Quantity of a material, quantity of door, quantity of woodwork, quantity of concrete is required. And in general we just mentioned that bricks will be used, but its quantity will be mentioned in detail specification. For preparation, detail quantity, preparation of workmanship, method of executing of work. We also mention the detail method for execution of the said work. So the third one is its rates. So what is rates? Unit rate of, what is meant by rate? Unit rate of all items means manpower. So manpower, there are labors. So per day wages for a labor, for a mason, for a steel fixer will be required. Machines like excavator, like dozer, like vibrating machine, like generator. So the per day cost or a per hour cost will be required for preparation of estimate. And the third one is material. So the rate of material is very important, like crash, like fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and bricks, steel, sand, cement, and other structural material like woods, paint, etc. So this is our today second lecture. If you like the video, kindly share, subscribe the channel for receiving more updates. Thank you for watching.